10-year low. Make America great again. Working to pass massive tax cuts. Looking good. Yeah, look at the stock market this Tuesday morning. We're now up 105 points, very close to the high of the day, very close to 24,500. A delivery delay for some of Lockheed's ships for the Navy. Tell me all about it, Nicole.
Littoral combat ships, on average, have been 11 months late. That's actually more than twice the 5-month delay of the rival. This is called Austral, and basically the Navy is waiting for these ships. They say they're hobbled by readiness shortfall. The shortfall of ships is hurting them. This delay is 11 months long, and obviously they have to get it done. So labor shortages and equipment breakdowns and potential vulnerability, but they're working on it. This group has done really well, the defense stocks, in 2017.
No impact on Lockheed stock. All right, Nicole, thank you very much. Now, former Housing Secretary Henry Cisneros on this program talked about paying for infrastructure development with toll roads. Watch this. Do you really think we're going to go for toll roads and toll bridges at this stage?
I think as an alternative to not building infrastructure, the answer is yes. We've seen this extensively in Europe, in Britain, in Spain, in other parts of Europe, in Australia, in Asia. And I think the day has come in the United States where we're saying we have a $1.5 trillion shortfall.
Toll roads, toll bridges, that's his way of bringing in private enterprise so they get a rate of return if they invest in infrastructure. Joining us now, Drew Greenblatt, who has been, now he's the CEO of Marlin Steel. You've been in meetings with President Trump about the infrastructure plan. Were toll roads and toll bridges mentioned?
I think it's an all-of-the-above approach. The key issue here is that our infrastructure is a D-. It's unacceptable that the greatest nation in the world has really poor roads, really poor bridges, unacceptable airports. We need the best of class. And right now, we need to invest $1 trillion. This will help American manufacturing. This will help our economy grow. It's a very important initiative the president is pursuing. I understand that.
Look, you need the infrastructure package. You need to put the money in. I got that. But do you think America is going to accept toll roads and toll bridges? Really?
I think it's just going to be a combination of many different... Money's going to be flowing in on many different fronts. Tolls are going to be a part of it. We need to have roads without potholes. We need new highways. We need new infrastructure so that our factories can ship quickly, and the supply chain has to move quickly. That's the only way we're going to grow our factories, hire more people. It's going to be good for our communities. It's going to be good for the economy. We need aggressive infrastructure. We have not properly invested for decades. It's unacceptable. We're down around 2% of GDP. We used to be at 4%. Now's the time to invest. The president has the right approach to be an all-in approach, $1 trillion in new infrastructure.
Okay, real fast,
it's going to be good for America.
You've told us in the past that if we get the tax cut deal in place by the end of this year, you at Marlin Steel will be putting money into new plant and new workers. That's still true?
Absolutely. We have electricians in our building right now. We have our slab being relayed in our new portions of our factory. We're investing, and we have 5 new robots coming in early January, all because of President Trump's tax plan. You know, right now we have a situation where we have Chinese factories, Mexican factories, German factories watching what's going to happen with these Washington politicians. Now is the time. These Chinese factories, these Mexican factories want Washington politicians to fumble. They want our economy to have the existing status quo tax reform system. We, as American manufacturers, our American manufacturing employees desperately need this tax reform package to sail through Congress. We need this before Christmas, because then we will have a surge in our economy. Our country needs these tax rates to be competitive against Mexico, against China.
Okay.
The Chinese companies are hoping that we don't get this done. The Mexican factories want us to fumble.
I got the point. I got it. Drew, I got it, and I'm flat out of time. Drew Greenblatt, Marlin Steel. Thanks for joining us, Drew. We'll see you again soon. Thank you. Check that big board. We've retreated from the highs of the day, but we're still up